is your reminder to go to 53supply.com and enter to win my super rare 1994 1 of 200 STI hatchback. We at 53 Supply not only provide you guys with awesome clothes with cool designs and cool car giveaways, but we also donate 10% of our proceeds to helping those in need that struggle with mental health. We've always done that and we always will. Just know, whenever you're entering into this giveaway, you're not only entering in for a chance to win an awesome car and get awesome clothes, you might potentially be saving somebody's life. Just to let you guys know, make sure you guys go to 53supply.com. Every $1 you spend right now grants you one chance to win through this STI. Now, let's get on to the video. You guys want to see something painful? Oh, yeah. You see that? There was a big rock in the road. I drive this car all the time, and there was a massive rock in the road because doing construction around, and I could not deviate. So, oh, rip, Jose, you're gonna have to come out here and it's just like, I'm destroying this lip. Anyways, guys, I know a lot of you guys love this car. It's time to do some modifications to it. Today, we've got our friend Alex from Wagner Tuning out. Now, I didn't actually know this, but Wagner's actually from Kilgore, which is about an hour away from me. So he's coming out here because he's local and he's gonna help us install some parts today. We've got some awesome goodies from Wagner Tuning. Wagner makes stuff for
a little bit of everything.
Okay.
We just specialize in intercoolers. We do make downpipes, mostly cooling products though, radiators, heat exchangers. Mercedes, BMW, Audi, Volkswagen, but we also do EcoBoost Ford stuff, getting into a lot more than just Europe.
Very cool. Let's unbox some stuff and see what we got today. I am stoked. So these cars have 2 intercoolers?
Yes.
Like one Dang. Ooh. What? I've never seen anything like this. Okay, this is interesting already. I've never seen a closed cell water-cooled intercooler before, but that's wild. Okay, so what's gonna be like the main benefit to y'all? So you said you have a bigger core size?
It's bigger core, so obviously one of the main goals is better cooling.
Yeah.
But also, more often than not, intercoolers on just about any OEM car, the intercooler's too small.
Yeah.
So these are gonna really open up significantly less flow restriction.
Do you generally see like a decent power gain from these, or is it just, okay.
And of course, we won't make an exact claim just because
it's always different, yes.
Everywhere's different, your mods are different, tune's different.
These are sick. I like the coating on them too. That's nice and sleek. So is that's the box? That's all that?
That's it for this.
I'm excited. Don't fall on my Evo. Look guys, I got a bunch of Evo parts. I'm excited for these. Hey, I got a hat. I like to make these dirty, so I'll definitely be wearing this. And some shirts. Wow, these are all like stamped, pressed.
So these are the base.
So these are going to be intakes. Are these the carbon ones?
Yes.
You guys know how much I love carbon. Oh yeah. Oh man, that looks like a whale genitalia if I've seen one. I love carbon fiber. I'm super stoked actually because like this is the one car that I mean it's already pretty quick. It's tuned. I think it makes like 650 wheel at the moment. I haven't done like cool stuff in the engine bay. This is gonna look awesome, dude.
Yeah, these definitely dress up.
Whoa! Wow. That is significantly cooler. Let me actually show you guys how ugly these stock ones are. We already got the carbon on the steering wheel. We've got carbon all over the body kit. Oh yeah. That will look so much infinitely better. I always like to go for the hard stuff first. So maybe let's go ahead and knock out the intercoolers and then save the easiest and best looking stuff for last. I would love to, love a turbo upgrade, but who out there? Glad Alex is here helping today because A million things are going on. Check out his car. I love these 135s. I had a friend that had one. It's like 800 horse, and it was wild. Our friends from Bend Pack sent us some stuff. I'm actually getting another lift. I don't have enough lifts. All right, come on in. Yeah, right here's good. Thanks, sir. It's funny because I can have like no trash in my garage at all for like 3 weeks. Within a day or two, I can have enough for like an entire dumpster to be filled up. This cool box right here. So I have the original one, and they got a new one that holds more water. And then we've also got, there's a new thing, the Bend Pack. This is their ergo chair, and I'm gonna try and get this unboxed for you, but it's a creeper, and it also just has like a bunch of different seating positions that you can put it in, so that's sick. And then I also got a light sticks. This is awesome. This is like a super nice light bar that'll help illuminate some areas. And speaking of, this is the last day that I'm gonna have this really annoying flickering light up there. These lights that I put in the garage 2 years ago are already starting to go bad and like fade really badly. So tonight I'm getting some, we just tried them out last night and they are insanely bright. So we're gonna have all new lighting in the shop now, and it's gonna be insane. It's gonna be awesome. I'm about to have a stroke if I have to look at that one more day. Guys, I'm telling you what, I don't get excited about chairs very often, but dude, this thing is wild. This is awesome. It's got a freaking, this is genius. I'm gonna have great posture after sitting in this chair. Intakes are awesome. Because one of my first mods for my R35 was carbon fiber intakes. Just because hot boy things, I don't know. All right, guys. And then the worst part is you got to cover all that stuff up with, I guess it's a pretty cool thing because it's got Who Built My Engine on it. So this looks awesome. I'm excited to see if it makes any more turbo noises. Alex, thank you so much for coming out and getting some install done, dude. Oh, get the, yeah, there you go. Got to get the steezy footy. And big thanks to Wagner for all this. Now let's go out, drive it. Let's go have some fun. I went ahead and aligned the car while it was on the lift. So the rear is good. I had like a centimeter of toe in the back, so we're good there. Don't want to ruin these expensive tires. And I had to do more bracing on my front bumper. So figured why not while it's up on the lift. Yeah, I feel like it's gonna have a little more spool sound whenever I'm going. I'll go a little slow at first, but I feel like you're gonna be able to hear the turbine spinning a little bit more because there was so much muffling through that plastic. Plastic absorbs a bunch. Those sort of those like wrinkly, like you know, you could like stretch it and compress it. What do you call that? What do you call that? It's like a accordion, like that sort of deal. I don't know why I'm talking like that. So let's go ahead and go. Thankfully, you don't need a tune for this because these ECUs are pretty self-correcting, or they allow for a lot of correction. I do hear a little more spool. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but oh yeah. Well, it's hard to hear anything over the exhaust. I can hear a little bit more. What I'd like to do, aside from like doing like pure turbos or something, I don't know if I want, if they, you know, hey, if you guys want to send me some to review, I'll use it, but I'm not sure if I want to do pure or something else, but I'd love to do turbo upgrade and some blow-off valves for this, because having a little stu-tu-tu sound would be pretty sweet. Oh yeah, I hear a little bit more blow-off noises. That's good. hear so much spool from the exhaust. I don't really think it's much different sounding, but let's see. Yeah, I can definitely hear some airflow. I am hearing like air moving, and I don't think there's a leak or anything. Okay, there was a boost leak and I fixed it. So let's see what she does now. Let's see, come on, baby. Here we go. Now we're gonna hit some max boost. Oh yeah. Yep, there we go. We're hitting max boost now. So the human ear can hear a huge difference in the sounds. In fact, actually, I just did a video with Crispy Media, and we did a bunch of rollers with this car, and you could hear it very clearly. Because the exhaust is so loud that even a microphone in the engine bay, you can't hear it. So you actually have to be in front of the car, like in front of the turbos for you to hear anything. But it sounds rad, and it looks really, 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 really cool. I wanna say a big thank you to Wagner for sending this stuff out, and Alex for helping as well. I've got an amazing video, guys. The next few videos, you're not even gonna believe this. I wanna go ahead and wrap this up and just say my daily advice for you guys. I've said this before, but my daily advice for you guys today is if you don't heal what cut you, you'll bleed on the people that didn't hurt you. That's a big one. You gotta heal, or you're gonna hurt people that don't deserve it. You're gonna put your anger out on the people that did nothing to you, that are nothing but kind to you. You'll even see ill intentions in people. On top of that, it's not other people's job to step on eggshells around you, tiptoe around you. You gotta figure out, you gotta get to the bottom of what's holding you down. You gotta get the ball and chain off your foot if you wanna run. So heal what hurt you. No matter what it takes, you gotta, cut ties, apologize, or seek out an apology. Heal what hurt you, or you'll bleed on the people that didn't cut you. That's it. Have an amazing day, guys. Thank you guys for watching. And again, a big thanks to Wagner Tuning. I got a link for you guys in the description to check them out. Amazing. They have so many products. They have tons of intercoolers, and they make a lot of things for a lot of cars, as you kind of heard in the beginning. So check them out. A big thank you to you guys. And this car is insane in person. I wish you guys could see it. And pardon my insanely dirty garage. Make sure you guys go to 53supply.com. Every dollar you spend gets you one chance to win. That's Subaru STI. And that's pretty cool. Plus you help people out. It's a good cause. Peace. Hey guys, I have 2 videos for you guys to watch. I feel like I'm at the state fair right now. What am I doing? Okay, well anyways, watch those 2 videos for your face. Make sure you're subscribed, turn those notifications on, go to 53supply.com, be an amazing person, and have a great day. Bye.